first of all, I'm gonna just like draw on a paper what are 3 parts for making the house I'll need. Just the front, the side, and the roof. I'll just need to draw them once. I'm gonna draw them on a poster board, and using a ruler, I'm just gonna make sure that all the lines are straight. And in the front part, I'm gonna cut a little, let's say, door that it will be where the mug will be. I'll cut all the parts. I just need to draw them and cut them once, because then you can just repeat them. When you cut the door that I was talking about, just make sure it will go through your mug, and always make it a little larger than what you think, because maybe during the cooking it's very possible that it's gonna shrink a little bit. After that, I'll just take the dough, the gingerbread that I made. I usually make it the day before, so it's gonna rest in the fridge a night. I'm gonna roll it out, not very thick. It has to be pretty much like a 1/4 inch, because we don't want to be too thick and then it won't fit through the mug. I'm gonna roll it out on a baking pan and cut all the parts. In this case, I'm making 2 little houses, so I'm gonna cut 4 pieces of each side. So 4 for the front and the back, 4 for the sides, and 4 for the roof. Everything is cut, I'm gonna just put it in the oven at 360 Fahrenheit for just a few minutes, let's say about 10 minutes, but I will just check it out, because being such small parts, they bake very fast. When all the parts are baked and you made them cool down, I'm just taking some icing, some royal icing. That has to be quite thick, because we're gonna use it to glue all the parts together. And you just have to do like I show you in the video. You just take 1 part and you add all the other to it. And it's not gonna take long to let it dry, but I will definitely wait an hour before starting decorating it, so I make sure that everything is in place and it's not gonna fall apart when I pick it up. For the decoration, what I can suggest you is to not overdo it, because it's so small that it doesn't need to be very decorated, but obviously everybody can do whatever they want. Another tip, like you see in the video, is to use a little brush with some water to just smooth all the parts that you see from outside. And what I do, it's very simple. I just put some white icing on the roof and put on white sprinklers. That it's gonna make it look like it is snow. For the rest, I'm just gonna use a star tip with green icing to make like a guirland with, I'm gonna put a red little sugar ball, and I'm just gonna make as the last thing a little heart on the sides. So that's how I made this little mug houses. I think it's a very cute idea. It's pretty simple, I have to say. And if you want to make some cute Christmas presents that are not expensive, I think this is the greatest idea. Most of all because everybody loves homemade present. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. See you to next video.